To access credits and free gifts in Temu, first ensure you have the application by downloading it from your App Store or by visiting www.temelecom.com through your browser. Temu offers various ways to earn credits and free gifts. One way is through the referee program, where you share a referral code with friends and earn rewards when they make their first purchase. You can also earn points by participating in daily activities, such as checking in or playing games, and redeem these points for discounts or free items. Additionally, keep an eye out for flash sales with limited time discounts, which can help you get free items or reduce prices. New users can also claim exclusive components by downloading the Temu app and registering for an account. By utilizing these options, you can gain access to free items, free gifts, and gift cards in Temu. The process is relatively simple, and by following these steps, you can start earning credits and gifts.